Hey everyone, do you have a Samsung dryer and your lint trap's broke? This is my Samsung clothes dryer. It's a 45K 6500. This is my lint trap. And you go on Samsung's website to buy this, and guess what? $171. Breaks in the corners and the bottom down here. See how it's broke? We've been dealing with this for I don't know how long time, very long time. So I went on Amazonia and I bought this one. $18. Probably 19 bucks with tax. Exact replica, except for the top says clean before each load. And the other one says clean before each use. I don't really care what it says. Look at that. Perfect fit. 17, 171. You make the choice. Check the description down below. Like and subscribe. Have some out.